Welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Jeremy, and today I want to talk to you about praying through anxiousness. I was talking to someone the other day, and they were expressing some challenges that they had in their life. And after about an hour or so, I said, "Hey, let's pray about this." They responded in jest, "Is it that bad, Pastor?" We both laughed about it, but the truth is, most people have a couple of thoughts about prayer. They will only pray when things are dire, or they think prayer is too passive and we need to do something else. Check out what Philippians chapter 4 and verse 6 says. The verse says, "Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition with thanksgiving, present your requests to God." I get that some of you read this and you see "be anxious for nothing," and you might be thinking, "No duh, Jeremy. I don't want to be anxious. If it was simple as not being anxious, I wouldn't have to overcome anxiety and I would have done it years ago." I want to call your attention to a few parts of this verse. The first is God doesn't ask us to do something that we can't do without His help. So you may need His help to be anxious for nothing, but we need to take the first step, and that is believing that it's possible. It may take some practical tools, it may take prayer, help from other believers, professional help, but the key is that you can overcome. The second part is when it says, "But in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your request to God." Prayer is not a last resort, and it's not passive. Paul is telling us in this verse that it is an active thing that God is telling us to do. Sometimes when we're feeling anxious, a helpful thing to do is to start praying and thanking God for what He's done. Thank Him for life. Thank Him for eternity with Him. Thank Him that you're forgiven. After praying and thanking Him, make your request known to Him. Be clear about what you're requesting. No is an acceptable answer from God, but we should pray in faith, believing that He will answer our prayers. Prayer isn't our last step. It's our first and best step forward. I know this won't be easy for many of you that are watching this, but I believe in you. And way more importantly, God believes in you. You aren't alone. And with practice and consistency, you can do this. And I believe it'll make your spiritual life stronger. Take some time and pray today. Thanks for joining us on the Daily Devo.